Hello guys, welcome to this channel again. Back with a stupid video. It is a very stupid video, I know that, but it's just a fun part. I just wanted to show you guys. Thiesa is quite possessive and she doesn't like it when I cover my face with this muffler. So I just want to show you guys that her reaction is very funny. Okay. And by the way, say hi to Snowy. तो ये स्नोई को भी एक्चुअली पसंद तो नहीं है, बट शी डजंट रिएक्ट सो मच. थिएसा इज क्वाइट रिएक्टिव और शी इज़ क्वाइट एक्सप्रेसिव, तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेस करती है अपनी फीलिंग्स को. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू दैट.